tail.
Yeah.
Me? I'm like, oh my god.
Big Bird. You did look like Big Bird.
You're so cute though. And then not
You're the best one.
Why won't he let go yet?
Because he has
Like if I...
your butt.
Yeah.
Your skin on your face is like...
I know.
You did really good. Yeah. She's like, ah! Yeah.
I didn't want to move. I was so terrified.
And like when he was flying with me, I was just like...
Oh, you videoed it? Okay.
Spot where they jump out of the helicopters.
I'm gonna go really skydiving this summer.
Really? That's awesome. I want to be in the Air Force and like, oh, I want to go skydiving so bad. Like, what's this, like, boards on your feet? I don't know, like just snowboard looking type things? It's like air skiing or something. Airboard? Airboarding. There we go.
You're right. You do have to course.
You'd be good at it. You'd be the one that probably doesn't die. Or
Yeah, like if you actually go skydiving, like the rest of us are gonna like turn around and look at the sky, and like you're gonna be the one like parachute.
No,
I'll be the one that's too terrified just to move.
Like that one.
And then they're gonna be like, if you